In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sidebar in Elementor. A sidebar is a great place to put helpful extras, things like a search box, recent posts, categories, or even a simple image or ad, so your visitors can quickly find what they need without leaving the page. Start by opening the page you want to edit with Elementor. Once you're in the editor, you'll see the live preview in the middle and the widget panel on the left. We'll create a new area to hold your main content and the sidebar side by side. Click the big plus icon to add section. When the layout options appear, choose the two-column layout. We're aiming for a comfortable split, about 70% for your main content and 30% for the sidebar. If the columns start at a 50-50 split, grab the column divider or use the column width controls to widen the left column and narrow the right one until it feels close to 70-30. Keep the right column as your sidebar so it reads naturally for most visitors. With the structure in place, it's time to fill the sidebar. In the right column, drag in a search widget from your widget panel. A search box immediately makes your site easier to navigate. Give it a simple label if needed, and in the style settings, adjust the input and button so they match your page's typography and colors. Clean, readable text is key here. Next, add recent posts to help visitors discover your latest content. After you drop in the widget, choose how many posts to display and whether to show dates or excerpts. If you prefer a compact look, keep it to a short list. If you want to drive more clicks, enabling thumbnails or brief excerpts can help, as long as it stays tidy. Then add a categories widget. This helps users jump straight to topics that interest them. You can choose a simple list or a drop-down and decide whether to display post counts. If your site has nested categories, enabling a hierarchical view can make the structure clearer. Finally, place an image widget if you want to show a graphic, a sponsor banner, or an ad. Set an appropriate size, add descriptive alt text for accessibility, and link it where you want visitors to go. Keep the image crisp and not too tall so it doesn't dominate the column. Reorder your sidebar items by dragging them up or down in the right column until the flow feels logical. Keep spacing consistent in the column's layout and style settings so everything looks cohesive. And that's it! Your clean, functional sidebar in Elementor is ready to guide visitors exactly where they want to go.